friends, today what we're going to do is we are going to draw snowman playing snowman. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need crayons, we need markers, we need half a paper, not even half. We are going to turn this into a square piece. Okay, so how do we cut this as a square paper? So first cut it as a half a paper, and a square is equal on all the sides, right? So this side is 6, so we need to make this side also 6. Okay, so you can use a ruler to do that, or if you don't have a ruler, another way to so with the ruler you will put it this way. Where's my pencil? So this is 6, and then you can draw a line and then cut it, right? Or you can cut on this, or what you can do is you can this corner you can fold it this way. This is what we used to do when I was your age. Fold it like this. Can you see? And what happens? You get it meets at exact same place where and then you hold it this way and you cut it. You don't even need a ruler for this. So this we have a square paper. Okay, this you can save it for some other project. Okay, so we have the square paper. I also have my whiteboard to practice draw on, and or to show you guys ways we can draw the eyes, nose and mouth of a snowman, because the other things are super easy, right? So we don't even have to practice draw the snowman on the paper, on the whiteboard, but this is for practicing how to draw, to show you guys different ways to draw the snowman's eyes, nose and mouth. Let me quickly look at snowman faces to show you guys samples. Okay, so as I said, this snowman we are going to draw in such a way that they are play. So we are going to draw 4 sets of snowman. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is I'm going to do this directly on this paper, and we are going to right in the middle of the paper you're going to leave like 2 finger space. Okay, on either side of the paper fingers, maybe you can 2 finger space. It's not exact middle. Okay, so now from this point to this point, the nearest points, okay, this point to this is the furthest point. Can you see that? We are going from the nearest, from here to the nearest point. I'm going to make a like a C. Turn this around. From this point to the nearest one, I'm making a C shape. From here to here, another C shape, and another from here to here, another C shape. So we have the first layer. So now next thing is we are going to draw the head. It's like a rainbow, right? Can you guys see? I'm drawing this lightly because in case, so I'm like this one, let me make it dark so you guys can see. Can you see? Okay. So they are like huddling. Maybe they are like planning something. Okay, so we have the head done. Now let's draw the hands. So let's actually stick, right? So I'm just making this part thick and this part almost one line, or you can have same thing for all. Two, now there's two more to be done. So you have to squeeze in all the hands. That's why we left a 2-finger space on either side. Okay, so we have the body, the head, and you can take the black marker from we are not using watercolor or anything, so you can take the black marker. We can now go ahead, outline the snowman. And outline all this snowmans. If you want, maybe you can even draw the hats for some of the snowmen. Maybe one or two guys can have a hat. So let me try making a hat before we move on to the. So I'm just going to make this line at the brim of the hat and a small line like that. Okay, so that is the swallows hat. You can color this any color you want. I am just going to put black. So we have a hat for one of the snowman. Maybe for one, this one I'm going to the opposite one. Maybe I'm going to put another type of hat. So let me look at some snowman pictures to find what maybe it can be like a come on snowman pictures. That's okay. So meanwhile, let's outline the rest. See, my computer is so slow today. Snowman. You keep outlining, okay? I'm just stopping in between to see, check out. Okay, you can, I'm going to make this snowman. Okay. Something like that. Or we can make it like a this way also would have been nice. Right? So you can do that also if you want. Should I try that one here? Let me see, will I have space? Maybe. Yeah, this will look like this person is like slightly in front. So maybe opposite side would be better, okay? Because you don't have much space there. Oh, this one's hands. Okay. Now, next thing what we're going to do is we are going to draw the buttons on the buttons and scarf and whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to start with this fellow. I'm going to the first button, it is like you're seeing from here to so the buttons are going to become the bigger. This part is closer to you, right? The part that is closer to you, the buttons will appear bigger. So I'm going to make the buttons bigger as it comes downwards. Maybe I'll add a scarf. This one. Okay. Buttons, maybe you can add the dots. You can see which dots are there. Maybe square buttons would look nice, right? Then maybe just plain. Okay. Now you can add the eyes, nose and mouth. Let me show you some samples to draw the eyes, nose and mouth. So the eyes can be, I'm drawing different ways to make the eyes. This is one way you can do. You can have the eyes closed. You can have big eyes. You can even have eyes with eyebrows. Okay, so these are fun of a few ways you can draw the eyes. If you want to try some other way, go ahead, try that. Now let's see how we are going to draw the carrot nose. So the nose, will start with a small curvy line, and then it can be this way. Oh, this is the nose. Noses. It can be thin, small nose. It can be like a perfect triangle like thing. It can even be coming down like that. It can be like facing in any direction. It can be facing up, facing down. Okay, so those are the options for the eyes. Maybe we can even have eyes with eyelashes, right? Like that. Or like that. Now for the mouth, it can be like normal mouth. It can be like this. It can be like that. It can be like a big smile. It can be like a half a smile. So we have some options here for the mouth. So or you can have, yeah, that's enough, I guess. So we have enough options for the mouth. Let me put this away, and then let me choose a mouth and eyes. Okay, so first erase off the pencil lines. Maybe this one, I'm going to make the eyes big, and maybe he's looking this way. I mean, I'm changing the eyes a little bit than the ones that I showed there. This one's nose is sticking up, and he has a half a smile like that. This fellow is looking to this side. Maybe eyelash. And nose. This one's mouth, maybe it can be like this. Let's make this, look at this. Quickly mouth, half a smile, up to something. Now this one, maybe just 2 dots. Okay, maybe a circular shaped thing. And oh, we did make this mouth, right? Maybe like that. Okay, so I have all this done. Now let's, maybe we'll outline everything with black. Where is black? Let me make it a big smile. Okay, so the carrots, maybe you can add some lines to make it look more realistic. You can erase off all the pencil lines before you color. Let's add some snow falling down. So I'm going to make small circles. It's snowing. Okay. The hands. Okay, now let's take the markers, the color markers, and then color the rest, and then we'll use the crayons and finish the background also. Okay, so let's do that. Choose whatever color you want and start coloring. I'm going to color my scarf. I'm going to give it a pattern. Let me so keep on coloring. We are not touching the snowman, but all the accessories and the nose and all those things you can color, okay? This one was buttons. Let's put all the colors that I took out. Okay, the nose, this one also is orange. Buttons for this. What color should I use? So I'm going to take my brown also now, and a color for the buttons for this. Put purple. Okay, I'm going to color the arms. Okay, so now that is, we're almost done. All that is needed is to color the sky. That can be done in no time. We're almost there. Picking blue. So see that you don't color the circle things that you made. Those are the snow falling. So I'm just going to go around and color. There is only a little area because it's a square paper, and because it's a square paper, we have less area to color, right? So I'm coloring it lightly. You could have colored the sky any color you want, actually. Any color in the sense, any color that you would normally see for the sky. So, not green skies. I don't know, maybe some other planet, the skies are green, and but here, let's use blue, purple, light pink, yellow. Okay, so we are done with our project for today. I hope you guys had fun making this playful snowman with me. I would like to see how this turned out. So take a picture of your finished work and email me with your name, room number, and your school name so that I can see your finished work. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.